What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to check to see if you need new rocker arms and how to fix them if your rocker arms are fixable. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. No matter which Mini Cooper you drive, if you work on it yourself, which you probably do if you're watching this video, check out my Facebook group. It's called Mini Cooper DIY. I'll leave a link to that in the description, or you can just go to Facebook and type Mini Cooper DIY in the search bar. You can find it that way. Let's get to the video. Okay, when you have your rocker arms off your car, you can see the end of it right here. It's supposed to have a little bit of give. If yours doesn't, you need to replace them. But when you press on it, see if I can get a good shot of this. You can see that it moves a couple millimeters. If you press yours and they don't move at all, then they're stuck and you need to either fix them or replace them. And I have the new style of them that you can't even buy these anymore, so I didn't want to buy new ones because they would be plastic tappets at the end or retainer clips at the end. So I'm gonna fix mine and I'm gonna show you how. I've already fixed a couple. It's really easy. The only tool you're gonna need is a C-clamp that you can buy at any auto parts store. I believe I got mine at O'Reilly's like 15 years ago or something. But let's get to that. I'm gonna show you how to fix them right now. Okay, the only tool you're gonna need is this C-clamp. I'm using a 5-inch one, it's just what I have. I think it's actually perfect. So if I can get a shot. Inside right here, this opening where the hole is, actually fits perfectly around here. But all you're gonna do is slide it over top. Well, first, I sprayed a bunch of seafoam spray in here, and then I let that sit for a while and didn't seem to do anything, so I sprayed some WD-40 in there, hoping that would seep in. And I still couldn't press on it, so after that I decided to grab these C-clamps, and you just put it on it like that, and you just tighten it, and you can watch it move down a little bit, and you'll feel it give. And once you feel it give, stop and back out. Just push it in a little bit because it's only going to move a few millimeters, and then once you've done that, check and see if it moves. This one does. And if it doesn't, just do that again until you free it up, and do that on all your lifters. Well, I hope this was a helpful video. It's going to save me about $400. I was going to buy new lifters today. Now I don't think I have to. I'm going to install them. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next video.